Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Martin Mesa with Rate One Financial Incorporated, and here we are, Mortgage Mind episode, the next one. We are up to our next tip and trick, and it has to do with creative ways of generating money for down payment on a home purchase. So hope you enjoy it. Okay, so one way to generate some funds for a home purchase, whether it be for down payment, closing costs, or even reserves. Sometimes a lender requires you to have reserves in the piggy bank after closing, which is money in the bank after you buy your house as a reserve. One way is to sell some personal assets that you might have. A lot of us sometimes have a lot of stuff, right? Those are personal assets that are oftentimes worth a good amount of money. And we don't think of those things being worth money that we could maybe use for a home purchase. So, for example, like what about automobiles? Or let's say you have some expensive art, or maybe you're a gun collector and you have some nice guns, or furniture, or whatever it is. All those things can be worth money, and you can sell those assets and use that money for a home purchase to help generate down payment or closing costs or whatever it is you need to get a better loan, or to get a loan, period, to buy a house. So selling personal assets, I'll use the example of a car. And this is great, especially if you have a loan against that asset, like a car loan. You can sell that car, walk away with the equity in the car, assuming you have equity after any loans that you owe against it are paid off. And you can use that money for down payment. Make sure you sell it in a traceable way, with a bill of sale written up, and that they pay you with a check that you can trace. But that's a great way to generate funds for your down payment, and you'll also eliminate that liability that was once on your credit report, the car loan. That'll also help you qualify for a larger loan. So I hope you enjoyed today's tip and trick. Stay tuned for the next episode of Mortgage Mind for the next tip and trick. Take care. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to like, follow, and share on social media.